I have to analyze what is geometry. Suppose, what is it? A, B, C. This is a triangle. Then, what is it? A, B. This is a straight line. Straight line. It is a normal geometry, Euclidean geometry. Uh, A, B, C, D is equal to triangle. Triangle. Angle. It is a normal geometry. Now I am discussing coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Suppose coordinate geometry is two-dimensional. I am discussing of the two-dimensional coordinate geometry. Suppose this is a plane. O, I mean 0, 0. Due to origin. O, this point. And there O to X. This is positive. O to X hash. This is negative. O to Y. This is positive. O to Y minus Y hash. This is negative. Now I have to calculate this point. OX positive, OY positive. So this one must be plus. What? X, Y plus. Now this one, this portion, Y plus. So this plus, but X minus. You understand? X, there is minus. And there, X minus, Y hash minus. I mean, X, Y minus. And this portion plus, X plus, Y minus. X, Y. So we have to remember this portion xy plus, this portion x minus, y plus, this portion xy both minus, and this portion x plus, y minus. Okay, just think and write. Now I am discussing the straight line. Suppose it is a coordinate system. O origin 0, 0. X hash, Y hash. So they are the point 2, 3. A point A. This point. Okay. And 2, 3 means two portion x, y. Suppose x1, y1. Okay. And this one, what? Plus, minus, plus. So x what? X is equal to, suppose, minus 4. And y is equal to plus 2. This is the point B. Now B to A or A to B. Okay. So I shortage the S. Now AB, the length of straight line AB. But I have to remember a theory. This is x2 y2. And I have to write not AB, B. Okay, B line, B to F. I have to always remember left to right, left to right, left to right. So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now calculation. x2 what? x2 what? Minus 4. And x1 what? Minus 2 whole square. And then y2 what? 2 y2 y2 y1 minus 3 whole square. Then their calculation minus 6 whole square minus 1 whole square. Okay. And then 36 plus 1 is equal to root 37. This is the length of the BA. Okay, 37. Right hand place. So further I have to calculate another straight line length or distance. Suppose that x hash, y hash, origin y 0 0. This quotient plus. Suppose 4 5 point B, and this quotient add as you go minus, and that plus minus, and that plus minus. So minus. Suppose minus 2 minus 3 and add B. The length of AB. You do what? This x2, x1. This y1. Okay. This x2, this is y2. x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. And now calculation. x2 what? x2 what? 4. Okay, 4. Minus 2 whole square. And then x what? 5. Second value 5 minus 3 whole square. Then calculation 4 plus 2 whole square, 5 plus 8, 3 whole square, and then what? 6 square, 8 square. That together, 36 plus 64, then total 100 is equal to 10. So length of AB is equal to 10. Write down please, write down. This is the coordinate system of now I have to coordinate system. This is the line, but not a straight. So I have to calculate and the x 0, y hash, x hash. Get there go to x. Suppose x1, y1, not x1, xy. This angle is 30. You go to theta. Now I have to write a system. Theta. Theta depend on so tan theta. Can this is what? This and this. This what? Y. Y by x. Y by x is equal to tan theta. That is equal to m. M what? M is the tan theta is equal to slope of gradient of straight line. Okay. This y, this x. Y by x is equal to m. M is equal to tan theta. Okay, tan theta. Now I have to erase this. I have to erase it. Suppose m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan what? 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to m is equal to what? Y minus 0 x minus 0. I mean y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So y2 is equal to y and y minus is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to x, x1 is equal to 0. So y by x, and then or 1 by root 3 is equal to y by x. or x is equal to root 3 y. X is equal to root 3 y. Okay. So I count the, and now I have to write another thing. Suppose this is O00 and this is the X, Y, A, and this is the B. The A. There is a C, and there is a theta. Suppose this theta is I may be 30 degree, and now C. So I have to remain mx plus c. This is a straight line. M is a gradient point, but plus c, plus c. General theory of general equation of straight line. Line. Okay. Now m is equal to 10, 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Write down. Okay, I have to erase this. M is equal to root 3 x plus c. So y is equal to root 3 plus x plus c. C value may be anything. C is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 1, etc. etc. So we are ready to straight line, and now I am calculating another thing. Suppose this is xy, and there is a straight line. Suppose this B. B is x1, y1, x2, y2, and m is equal to what? y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is a tangent. So it is also the gradient and slope of gradient of straight line. A straight line. Okay. So I will must be lecture about coordinate geometry explanation. Better explanation try to do. Please encourage me. I must speech about the straight coordinate geometry elaborately. Just encourage me, give me a valuable opinion about coordinate geometry. What kind of lecture speech I have to submit to you. Just give me your opinion, advice, etc. etc. And if I have any default, wrong, mistake, please pardon me. I apologize to you. Please give me your valuable opinion. I must try to explain the coordinate geometry elaborately and you just watch and study properly, profoundly, and try to realize my lecture. And okay, thank you very much. This is my